And now, a beautiful shimmering being of light, who is a timekeeper, steps in the middle of the grid and tells us human light workers and light keepers, human grid workers and nature empaths, to start sending our love and light and our deep gratitude towards the grid. So I ask you to send your love, light, and gratitude towards the birds and see how it flows over the grid and it's woven into the tapestry of the grid. We are rebuilding bridges of light between human light workers, human mission souls, and the bird kingdom. See this bridge starting to build. It's golden now, shimmering golden. And now it starts changing into a rainbow bridge, a silver bridge, a light bridge. Can you see the colors are changing? Keep sending your love and light and deep gratitude over the grid. Some beautiful white birds started to connect with some of us. Messages received from them. I'm told that some of you, actually quite few of you here, are true keepers of the light of the bird kingdom, not just through this, but many lifetimes.